Morning, Agent Engine Carbon Clean. Called out to look at this Range Rover Evoque. This one is a 2.2. It's a 2013 model, 78,000 on the clock. Now the owner, it's running pretty nice. He's not reported any problems, booked it in. Just wanted to get it checked over, get it cleaned up. Serviced pretty recently. It's been into a couple of garages as well. He's paid for some repairs to be done. Basically got codes in it. One's a permanent code, engine oil, temperature sensor, circuit, high input. Clear that, that's immediately back on. 2 codes in the air conditioning system and 1 in the DAB radio section. The interesting thing with this one, obviously it's been serviced just last week, and they've not picked up on any of these bits and pieces, especially that oil temperature sensor circuit. And he's also paid for the HVAC, the aircon issues to be resolved, and they've not been fixed. So he can get back to the garage that's done that now and get that resolved. Otherwise, it's running beautifully. It's running on good fuel. That engine's really nice. It's regenerating. Nice, good, long, healthy distance between regenerations, which would indicate the engine's pretty sweet. Cleaning up now. It's nice and smooth and quiet. That boom that was in it at the start has gone. Lovely and smooth and quiet and responsive compared to what it was. You can now go and get those issues fixed and take that back up with the garage now.